edge here. This is a broken edge. I'm going to make it like this. So take this and we're going to put it over here. Into this piece here. This goes here. That. Now this next piece here. See how it's coming up? I'm going to do this side. Do this edge here. It's just it doesn't really have any angle. You need this nice piece here. So take it over here. Take a look at my line that up. Not sure. Not too bad. So, I'll take it over here, see if we can get it to fit. So the next one, see right there, it's going to be right along that edge. Right along this edge here. Come over here and I'll be cutting this in there. So it's pretty easy to cut with a diamond drill. Not sure what the makeup of the glass is, but so anyways, I'm going to do this for the rest of this line here, all the way up to the top, and then I'm going to start making the cane pieces that are going to do the strength of this thing.